sunshines. I am BlueWaterRose. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and provide any comments below. Today's recipe is a delicious chicken noodle soup with root vegetables. It's one of those true comfort foods. It's great for lunch, or you can have it for dinner with a salad and some crusty bread and butter. This is my oldest daughter's favorite. She tells me, "Mama, I can't stop eating the soup." To me, it's all in the broth. It's so delicious and savory. So please continue watching this video for these ingredients. Stay right there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Please provide any feedback about this video, and see you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. Thank you.